So why Starlink, SpaceX, starting under SpaceX is the future of internet. Um, I we have used Verizon for when we get married. We just use Verizon all the time in the past 5 to 6 years. So the beginning price will be 30-35 range. In the past 1-2 years, the internet price have risen from 35 to about 50 455 price, and but also our family, not too much. We have two computer, two phones, and Amazon TVs, some air filter, use Wi-Fi. So the internet have become slowly when I have meetings and try to open things, and then at the point become a little bit frustrating because we feel we pay more more than before, but the internet becomes slower, and so finally in the last week too, I started to work on it. Do research what's the best way to get a Wi-Fi to work on. So I do some research and I decided to try Starlink. Starlink have been people have been using for many years now, but for residential is not really popular yet because the price. So normal you need to pay 120. Now they have price like 80. That's still pretty high than normal. Like I use Verizon 55, 54. Still pretty high, so I don't really use it. But recently, when I do research, I found out Starlink have a low internet plan, which is $40 a month, and you don't need to pay any upfront fee for the equipment. So you can buy the equipment for $299 or $300 or $400 of different price, depending which generation you buy. But for this plan, I just found out you don't need to rent any equipment. You just pay $40 a month. But it's based on Starlink website. It's a low data plan, so I'm a little bit worried. But I give it a try. So I ordered a Starlink package, and they come really fast, like 3 days. So during the weekend, I just installed, put on my roof. And my roof, actually my garage roof, not even my roof, just my garage roof, found a place like there's no trees, and I have a lot of trees in my backyard, but I found toward a place no trees, not too many objects to block the sky. So this only take me about 30 minutes to set up everything. Then instead buy a mold, which you can spend 80, 50, $60 depending on what mold you put on your roof. I just make a box, a wood box, and then mold the Starlink equipment, the panel, on the box, and I put a big heavy rock on the box, maybe like 20 pounds something on the box, so it cannot fly away. So I just put my garage roof, and I just run a line to the window, and I draw a little hole, put a line inside through my window, and put a router in the upstairs, and put it on. Then you download Starlink app, and then they can show you how to align with the best review. Then that's it. A total take me half hour to set up, and I spend more not half hour to make stir and everything. So only can take 1.5 hours. And so surprisingly, I tested in my internet speed, and it's like 98 and 99 download, which is 20 to 30 faster than the internet I paid before. Even the internet I paid before says it's about 100 to 300, but like the download speed never reached to like 90 or 80, only like 60 or 70. But the upload is a little bit low. It's about 12, 16, 8. But when I do more research, I learned that so your download the speed, what that means is when you watching YouTube, watching movies on the Wi-Fi, you're watching something, play games, you use the downloads everything you use in your house. The upload, actually you will not use too much. For team meeting, live stream, you only use 1 to 2 Mbps. So if you have 12, you can basically, what that means, you can have 3 people live stream in the same time. But in our house, just me and my wife, and we don't have used to my team meetings, like 5 people use team meeting altogether, and that's never happened before. So I immediately canceled my previous provider, which I pay $54.99 a month. Now I only use Starlink. I only pay $40 a month. The equipment's free, and my internet speed has faster, and I didn't experience any issues. And there's windy, and there's cloudy. The internet tests different time, morning, lunch, dinner. It's at different speed, but all fast. And my internet all fast. So I just save like $15 a month and get really faster speed internet, and no issue so far. If I had any issue, I will update for everyone. And I think the Starlink, Elon Musk Starlink on the SpaceX, is the future of internet. Why? Because it's just so simple, and normal people, you don't need a technician to come in, waiting for technician to help you, and don't need a call. I just run a line. If you know a little bit handy, you just can run a line to the roof and draw a little hole, get just one device, one line, one router. That's all you need. Then download one app. So take you very fast to set up and easy to use. And if the price will be cheaper, I think that will be the future. If they can do $40 for me, big deal. And $40, if they can raise internet more, give high speed internet for $40, I'm sure everybody will change to Starlink. It's just very easy to set up. Also, you don't need to run a line, physical line from your front yard or backyard to go to your box, the internet box, to do it. You don't need to do that anymore, and save a lot of labor and work. I remember I was doing my electricity box during the spring or summer, and my electrician person dig a hole in my sideway, and somehow they broken they call invisible line in the ground for the Wi-Fi, so I lost Wi-Fi because of that. Then I need to call people to come in, and these take like weeks. I need to use my neighbor's Wi-Fi. Take weeks to fix it, and then when they fix it, they need to dig a hole, dig a line from the underground box in the neighbor. Then you dig in your from walking way to where the line that comes to the box to connect it. And in the process, and somehow they go to a neighbor's yard, they cut something and run the line, and my neighbor's Wi-Fi lose Wi-Fi too. And my neighbor need to call his server to fix his. It's just a lot of work, a lot of trouble, a lot of time. But Starlink, half hour, 1.5 hour, it's perfect. Use no problem. Matter of fact, I will record, upload this video, use the Starlink, and I believe that's the future. And I have good experience, and anything come out I will share, and I encourage everyone to explore the new technology and new way to do things. I know some people tell me they pay like $200 or like $150 for their Wi-Fi and the TV cables. That's just ridiculous. It can save you save me $15 a month, and more people can save you maybe $50 to $80 a month, even $150 a month. And also it's very simple, easy to use, and fast. There's no reason people don't use it when they start to use it. I think I'll never go back again. Unless there's something happen I don't know yet, but based on my experience so far, it's really good. So if you want to try Starlink, and I know some people use it in the car, or you live in the mountains, and mountains are best actually. You can have all the skies. You can use mountains. There's all different ways you can use it. On a boat. That's the future, guys. Everybody, that's the future. It's coming, and coming fast. There's already a lot of people using. We just don't know yet. You think about if 300 million people and also the world start using that, that will be big. But I will put my refer link in the video below, and what you can the refer link do is, if you use it, if you don't use it, you will not get any benefit, and I will not get a benefit. But if you use my refer link, you can get 1 month free. But also, I also get 1 month free. If you think this information is helpful, use my refer link. Thank you for your support, and let me know if you want to know anything more. I'm happy to answer any question you have, and thank you for your time.